What's good, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Buster. Today we're going to be talking about 5 reasons why you shouldn't buy the Samsung Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy S21 Plus. It's not all bad news though, because these are just points that you should know about. But don't fear, I will be bringing out another video of 5 reasons why you should go ahead and buy the S21 and the S21 Plus, because at the end of the day it's a flagship, and flagship phones are always good. Well, not till you hear what I have to say. Anyway guys, let's get right straight into the video. So, I think Samsung has done an incredible job with the design of the phone, with the updated camera module that melts into the metal side frame. It's not a huge change or anything dramatic, but it's enough to keep the design of the phone interesting and give Samsung's new phone a distinctive look. With that being said, the Samsung Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus might look and sound like it's perfect, but it really isn't. It's always been the positive things about these phones, but I'm going to tell you 5 reasons why you might not want to buy the Samsung Galaxy S21 or the S21 Plus, the downgrading display. First on my list is a big one, and that's the display Samsung has chosen to use on both phones to cut down on material cost. These are actually the first flagship Galaxy S devices to feature a Full HD Plus resolution AMOLED panel since the Samsung Galaxy S5, which was launched back in 2014. Over the few years, Samsung has been steadily reducing the curve on the edges of these displays, and this year they've moved back to a fully flat display, noticeably increasing the bezel around the edge of the device. Personally, I'm used to the Quad HD resolution, which was an option in last year's Galaxy model, the S20 and the S20 Plus, as well as the Full HD Quad, the Full HD Plus as well. So it's going to be something to be considering when you're actually about to purchase one of these devices. Less RAM. Both of the Samsung Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus comes with an 8 gig of RAM this year, but for some that may sound reasonable, and some may even not care about the size of the RAM because it's a new flagship device. But if you purchased one of the last year's model, the Galaxy S20 devices, you currently have a phone with a 12 gig of RAM inside of it. Like the reduction of the display quality, this change was needed to save you that $200 of the purchase price of the device. While 12 gig of RAM truly sets Samsung Galaxy S20 devices apart from the competition last year, 8 gig of RAM should still deliver a great usage experience on the Galaxy S21 and the Galaxy S21 Plus. You just won't be able to keep a dozen apps in memory at once. Say bye-bye to the expandable storage. None of the Galaxy S21 devices will support the extendable storage anymore. All you're going to get is 128 gigabytes of storage in the base model, but you can pay a little bit extra for an upgrade to the 256 gig of storage. If you use Google Photos or any cloud services to back up your photos and videos, you should be fine. But if you don't, your phone internal storage can fill up quite quickly if you're storing a lot of files and downloading a lot of big files. If this change is a deal breaker to you, then you may want to downgrade and stay with the Samsung Galaxy S20 and the S20 Plus to retain that feature in 2021. Samsung should really get some beating for mocking Apple for not including a charger in their 2020 iPhone lineup, and then following in their footsteps just a few months later. Wow. Yeah, that's right. Just like iPhone, the new Galaxy S21 lineup doesn't come with a charger in the box. Samsung didn't make quite a big of a deal about this, but you're going to need to use an old charging brick from your previous devices or pick a new one up from the store or from online or from the shop, wherever you pick up your charging bricks from, especially if you want to take advantage of the phone's fast charging capabilities. Second tier camera experience. Wonder what that's all about. For years, when buying a Samsung Galaxy S smartphone, you're always treated with the best camera experience Samsung has to offer. That all changed last year with the introduction of the Galaxy S20 Ultra. even if you pay $1,000 for the S20, for the Galaxy S21, you're still going to get the same camera experience as a regular S20 with two 12 megapixel sensor for the main and wide cameras and a 64 megapixel telephoto camera paired with a 3 times zoom lens and a 10 megapixel front facing camera. If you want the best smartphone camera Samsung has to offer, you'll have to shed out another 1,300 for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, which swaps the 64 megapixel camera for a 108 megapixel sensor for the main camera. Yes, the new Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus is $200 cheaper than the S20 and S20 Plus, but there are some drawbacks. Samsung is reducing the cost of how they're making and developing these phones, and also cutting down on the technology on the phone that will take them usually longer to make. I must say it's very smart what they're doing. They're trying to cut down on how much they're using to make these devices and cut down on how much we have to buy the devices. Anyway guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Also subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications on, tell me down in the comment section below if you agree with what I've said in today's video. And yeah, share the video, make sure you do, otherwise I'm not going to be happy. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.